Yo, how's it going, EDM YouTube? So we are going to High Ground Music Arts and Experience today. It's a one-day festival in like downtown Denver area. It's over at the Levitate Palladium. It's got like 2 stages. We got like yoga and all sorts of really cool stuff. Honestly, it's like a silent disco with like some cool like noises. So it's not like actually like music. It's just like I think it's supposed to have like rainforest noises and stuff like that. So it's supposed to be pretty fucking chill. This is more of like a chill stoner EDM type festival. So nothing like too hardcore, anything like that. I wanted to try. So we're gonna fucking find out how it is. So enjoy this one-day vlog. You can tell we're here pretty early, but Chet Porter starts in like an hour, so that's why we wanted to come by like at least 3. It's like 2:45 now. Finally found the entrance. It was like a 5-minute walk.
My legs hurt.
I don't even smoke.
I'm tired of walking, Grandpa.
It's too damn bad. Just got through security. The rules are pretty chill here. If you saw like the website, literally everything's like kind of allowed. So beautiful, gorgeous, beautiful weather.
Beautiful me.
Wait for a friend. He's GA.
Peasant. Oh, peasant.
Y'all check out the merch. They got hydro packs, artist merch, regular merch, and then you get a free backpack if you purchase over 100 pens.
No, I'm like still trying to figure it out.
We got main stage right there. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm really loving the vibe. I wish we brought a little mat, but there wasn't a Spencer's near us. So the VIPs on the side area of main stage. So this is like it's like the entrance and stuff. Oh damn. Okay, a little bouge.
Tap it.
We're gonna use that tonight. Holy shit! Come over here. There's a sign that says "Do not enter."
How are you?
Wow, I didn't think you were here. You were in LA like yesterday.
I know. Trust me, I know.
Who got you lonely like that? Bro, why can't you let me go pee alone? I don't need a chaperone.
Yeah, you do. You get lost.
There was no water in that one. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. There's no water? Oh, here we go. We got some water there. My friends! How's it going? I spotted y'all a mile away. Good.
What's up, bro? Global.
How are you? How's your day going? I just smoked a lot of weed and my mouth is really thirsty. I'm gonna buy a beer and find you.
Go to that tree.
There's 2 trees. That's the one or the further one? The further one. Thank you.
Holy shit, is that Kandi Diva?
Oh my god, it is!
Dapper makes the noise right now. You guys feel it.
Hey! How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How's your night going?
Good, it's been a lot of fun. gonna buy this. I'm gonna buy it and wear it to work.
Broken heart syndrome.
Wear it to EDC Las Vegas.
Oh my God, yes.
So this is the silent disco. Super cool. I love it.
Doing this shit the whole time.
Oh, I don't have an excuse.
I'm out of breath and I ran like.
Yeah, I was thinking,
Chet Porter's playing right now. You can't see him, but he's playing.
yeah. Do you want to go sit in the shade or do you want to go in the open, like closer to the stage?
These are some trick questions. I don't know. What do you guys want to do?
We are always running for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Always pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All alone.
So this is the guy who literally made this happen. So
Gino, nice to meet you. Hey, you're going to be on the podcast next week, right? Yeah.
Hey, I'm Jaden. We met this morning.
Nice to meet you. Brad. Nice to meet you. Thanks for being here.
he saw you struggling. He's like, I got this.
Yeah, so the girl came over and was like, hey, let me help you. And I was like, all right, let's run together. And she's like, I can't keep up. I'm like, all right. I usually just like up and down, up and down, up and down.
That's what I fucking
And she was like, no, we gotta run. I was like, no, we don't have to run.
You do have to run, low key. I hate doing that shit.
Calling your name got me falling through visions again. Like I'm not to blame. And no one gets on glory again.
What's
Should've known it.
Should've known it. People aren't gonna believe I'm camping.
I know, like, where are we?
Look, hey. Brad. the medical tent because I was getting heartburn. They had Tums, thank God. I did.
That's amazing. Wonderful work. I'm not talking to him. I'm vibing with you, but I'm not talking.
Talk to him then, and I'll just be here.
To this funky beat.
Let's sing this shit one more time, yeah, let's go! Damn it, thank you so much, we love you guys.
All right, so we just got done with High Ground. Why did I forget the name?
Place we went to.
Me and Kandi Bar are headed to an after party with Dom Dalla. She got us guest listed, so we're doing that. I'm not gonna record any more than this though because we're about to get fucking ratchet. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will see y'all in the next one.